And just like that, we're back, folks. It's been a long time since the homies have broken out the bashers and taken them out for an epic bash session. So last week we spent some time getting them together so we could have a proper Send It Sunday. If you like the content, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe below. But stick around, because you're not going to want to miss the epic sends that were being thrown down that day. So stay tuned.
Oh, perfect. That was awesome. Standing. Come on.
I got you're walking.
I got the walking shade.
That was perfect. It's just like the carpet truck, baby.
What on road? Same truck, huh? Good.
Yeah, we should put that on the carpet truck.
No, I want to see that. They'd be sending it. Wow. Dude, that was... Not so smooth. You gotta be 99% perfect, man. Greg, try that jump. Which one? Oh, man, I thought it... Land over there. Wow, what a save.
Where you at, Greg?
Huh?
Where you at? Let's see it.
Yeah. My power should went out that way. Oh! Oh, yeah. Gene, Nick.
Oh, here goes Gene.
Brother. Oh, shit. Really...
I didn't see a car.
What happened?
He's got it on 8S.
Oh,
just to make it even.
Yeah. Is that it on 8S?
Yeah.
Oh, that was... Land. Ah. Oh, dude. negatives.
I know.
Next
It's
time.
like a routine.
It's like the same job every time. I know. It's like he's been here before. It's like he owns the X-Maxx. I don't know what else to say. Had that. Uh-oh. And she's a no-go. She's a no-go. Go for it, buddy. I'm proud of you.
Proud of you, buddy.
You're the best.
Stay strong.
Never mind, bro. Make it back left. Let's go, Skeeter.
Yeah.
Running start out. It's gonna come a little different angle now.
Should we be worried?
A little bit. Whether it's out. I'm not worried about nobody else.
Oh, he went for the fence.
Good thing that fence was
That's
there.
a fucking sender right there. I can't did something to
All right, let's see it.
Did it? Oh, the tire came out. One tire's out. You don't need four-wheel drive. You can still drive it. Mike, what's going on, Mike?
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the content. Please remember to like and subscribe. Smash that notification bell so you don't miss out, and we'll see you all next time.